Oh.
Untuk banana.
Very cool. Very cool. Okay. All right, guys. Here, come. In. Okay, I am here with Yara, Geraldine, Benami. No.
Me gusta.
And we are here in Medellin, Colombia at Smart Fit, and we are going to do a workout. We're going to train legs. I'm going to train legs with her because if you know, you know. This is the girl to learn from. Something that I've learned is if someone has what you want, you better learn from them. And she has something that I want, so we're going to train legs today here in Medellin, Colombia. I'm super excited and I'm a little scared because she goes hard. So let's dive in. ¿Listo?
Listo. Empezamos.
Palabras ótimos. Last words. Any last words?
Vamos
no,
con todo.
Vamos.
Tres. She wants me to go first on these hip thrusts. Woo! Oh, see. All right, I think we're ready. Okay. Muy importante las manos. Ahí. Vamos. ¿Qué?
Uy. Okay. Oof. Dang, she's doing 6 plates, guys. Absolutely insane. Hard work pays off. Jesus Christ. She's also strong somewhere else. Okay. ¿Cuántos más? How many more? Tres? Tres más. Here we go, guys. All right, we're taking a little bathroom break. Well, she is. I'm good. I went before we came. Just a word from our sponsors. Be Epic. Take Elevate and Accelerate for advanced performance, digestive, let it all flow through your body, and then sleep enhancer. You got the green, purple, and white at night, and you're solid. 3 pills get you through the day and a solid night's rest. Boom, from beepic.com/Brit, BRIT. Thanks for our sponsor. Waiting for Hera, and it's crazy how strong she is here. The hip thrusting 6 plates, which is insane. I think I could if I was consistent. And how to train her, she has a trainer that pushes her to the max. As you can see the results on her. But yeah, hardcore inspiration. Super grateful she's here. And grateful she's a thumbs up for the camera and filming at night and during the day. I am on the lookout in other countries for women like this. So everyone say a prayer for me to meet more women like Geraldine. Here she's back. Here we go. We knock out 3 more sets. ¿Cómo te sientes?
Bien.
Bien. Vamos. All right, it's getting more people. It's getting more public out here, and I think the worst thing is set up and takedown when doing hip thrusts. I like to cheat and go on the hip thrust machine if a gym has a hip thrust machine, or use a bench and the automatic bar that goes up and down. I can't remember what it is at the moment. I'm a little pooped out. But yeah, Yara's awesome. Definitely sets the bar, sets goals, sets the bar for me, sets the standards. She raises the bar, that's what she does. But yeah, she's cleaning up while I'm vlogging. Setup and takedown is a B.
Okay, we're about to do the hamstring. Contracción de pierna. So pierna is leg, contracción, my guess is hamstring. This is the hamstring machine. And she said this is next. So let's get at it. She's multitasking. No. ¿Cuál es próximo? What is next?
Flexión, acostada.
Flexión,
Acostada.
acostada.
Flexión de rodilla. Acostada.
Ah, okay. Vamos. Let's see how it's done. Geraldine, sí.
Las manos.
Sí. Las manos. Oh, that's very lightweight.
No, es mucho.
That is lightweight. Working it. There we go. Beautiful. Muy importante. Espada. Flex.
Es malo.
It's bad if.
No.
Okay, it's bad if you lift the back.
Mira.
See, you're looking straight.
Okay.
You're looking straight. Her head is straight. You don't want to lift that because you're using this right here. See, your hamstrings. Bien. Vamos.
Let's crack.
All right. Head up.
Sí, porque
Go. See.
columna.
Head up.
Derecha.
Straight spine. Lift.
Hasta ahí.
Más? No.
Eso, pero no.
No. Don't go all the way up. Sube? Up? Okay. We're going like right where it burns. So it's not a release when you go all the way up, but you gotta stay flexed the whole time. From what I'm interpreting right now. Gracias. Okay. I have lost count. How much I've done. Oof, fuck. Oof, that burned. Wow, I don't know why it burns more with a trainer.
Error común de todos.
All error.
Error.
I don't know what that word means.
Equivocado. Traductores.
We like to use Google Translator. Thank you, traductor. Error común. Okay, a common error.
Glúteos.
De todos subir hasta el glúteo. Common mistake of everyone is go up the butt. Okay, so the most common mistake is on this machine is that you lift up. A lot of people lift up their butts, but no, don't do that. You want to activate your hamstrings, not your lower back. Todos. Right. This is the worst way to do it.
Brindy and
Sí. Oh, yes.
Mira.
She's very flirty.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we have a whole audience over here.
Okay.
What are we doing?
En
Hannah?
español.
En español, okay.
Ajá.
Okay.
Muy importante.
Sí.
Muy importante.
Okay.
Espalda
Sí.
derecha. No es esto.
Straight back.
No es esto. No.
Wow, that's what I've been doing all my life.
Espalda derecha, manos.
Okay.
Siempre acá.
Straight back.
Ajá. Y el pie.
Your legs.
Abre. Y cierra lento. Cierra lento.
Slowly. Okay. Abducción de caderas.
Aducción de caderas.
Okay, thank you, Hannah. Oof. Lento, slow. Oh.
Brazos.
Uh-huh.
Oh, es muy fácil.
Espérate, son 30.
30, okay.
30. Fácil, pero 30. Sorry.
So right now I'm doing 55, which is 55.
La cantidad.
I think it's in kilograms, so it's a lot more. But she said to do 30 of these, and then 20, and then 10 with more weight. Usually I do like 4 sets of 25 at like 200. So this is, we're shifting gears here. But she said lower weight and do it more slow.
Bien, bien.
Close my legs. Vamos. Sí.
¿Cuántos días?
Lento. Muy bien. Oh, yeah. Ya is done. You're finished.
Y son 3 de más. Ok, 30. Muy bien.
Sí.
Vamos. 20.
Okay. That's a wrap.
Finish.
We finish. Ooh. Completo. Yes. See, okay, yeah, we're getting protein. So after our workout, we just got, hold on, mic. We're getting protein right now. Batido de proteína.
Muy bien.
Sí.
Diga,
Gracias.
Banano, avena. Rico. Muy bien, muy rico.
Okay, we wrapped up our workout. We trained legs today with Yera. Hey. We trained booty today, and that's a wrap. If you guys like this video, I'm kind of in the life of Pure Ocean Eyes, aka Brittany, and I'm just kind of doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that in each city. We got try-on hauls. This was my first video at the gym training with an athlete I look up to, who raises my standards in life. Gracias, amor. I like that milk mustache. But if you guys enjoyed this video, like said,
Tu banano.
thank you. Check out my other videos. It's my life. I don't have a niche. I am the niche. That was my revelation today, because I've been trying to figure out, oh, do I do gym content? Do I do boutique try-on haul content? Do I do adventure travel vlog content? And I'm like, dude, I am the whole package here on this channel. It's all of who I am. You take one step in and you're gonna be hooked. Yes, like, yeah. My revelation of the day is stop trying to find a niche if you're having issues with that, and just, you are the freaking niche. I am the whole package here. So either enjoy or skedaddle. I'm just here to enjoy life, and you guys can watch through my eyes and just see what I'm up to. I'm quite, oh dang, she's just feeding me again. Jesus. What earth? We go to different gyms in different countries. Next country is Peru. Well, we're first gonna go to Cali, and then we're gonna hit up Peru and see what kind of trouble we stir up there with like try-on hauls, with the gym. We'll go on different adventures, rock climbing, hiking, probably Machu Picchu, and whatever trouble is in Peru we'll get into. And find some other content creators to create content in different countries. I think the goal is Peru, Brazil, Ecuador, and then Argentina, Chile, and then back to Colombia for my birthday. And then I don't know where after that. I'm just kind of going with the flow, seeing where the spirit goes. Ooh, she is complete. Oh, she wants to feed me again. Okay, Hella. Okay. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Ciao.
Thanks for spending time with me. Subscribe to stay close, and if you know, you know. Check out my handles for more.